daw po ba yung may pension loan, ano na daw po yung mangyayari?
Okay, very good question po no si Sir Jacinto. Kasi actually ito pong ating pension loan program, it is under the credit life insurance po. So if you will notice, siguro sabi ng iba, bakit kailangang retiree pensioner lang, hindi pa isinama no si disability at saka si survivor pensioner. Kasi pag sinabi natin credit life under credit life insurance, meaning whatever happens to our retiree pensioner, it will be automatically be paid na po. Okay? So hindi siya ibabawas, hindi siya ikakalta sa kanyang death benefit po.